Am I the only one that didn't know credit repair could be this simple? Here's how Australian Credit Solutions turned my financial life around. Hi, I'm Cassandra, and I want to share my amazing journey with Australian Credit Solutions. Their credit repair service has been overall excellent. I want to extend my gratitude to Anjali, who was very efficient in guiding me through the sign-up process. Her assistance made everything clear and straightforward. A big thanks to Jemima, who has been diligently updating me on the progress of my file. Her updates made me feel that they're really working on fixing my credit file. Thanks to her, I always felt informed and cared for. I am looking forward to having my credit file fully fixed and highly recommend Australian Credit Solutions for their outstanding service. So, if you're ready to fix your credit, give Australian Credit Solutions a call today. You'll be glad you did.